What'd I touch?
Don't touch anything. We're stopped.
Fences are failing all over the park. John, I can't get Jurassic Park back online without...
Whoa!
This place is awesome. By the way, you should have plugged this in.
What?
I think we're back in business. Guys, that could have been bad.
So we're good. Well, this is going to be a lovely weekend. How did you do this?
I'll show you.
That salt scrub made me feel 33 years younger.
Are you getting the signal out here?
Oh, thank you, Grace. Yes. Wi-Fi finds a way.
I'll take it the arms are longer. Do the roar again. Give out that roar.
That is one big pile of shrimp.
Mr. Hanlon, after careful consideration, I have decided to happily endorse your park.
A whole new species of Wi-Fi at the same price for 5 years.
Hey, little guy. Yo.
XFINITY's Super Bowl LX spot is a full-on Jurassic Park nostalgia remix, reuniting Sam Neill, Laura Dern, and Jeff Goldblum in a comedic "what if the park actually worked" scenario, because this time, the catastrophic domino effect never starts thanks to reliable XFINITY connectivity. Directed by Taika Waititi, the ad plays with classic lines and iconic set pieces, but flips the tension into a punchline. Instead of dinosaurs breaking loose, the guests get to enjoy the park like a real resort. It's a smart, fan-servicey way to sell XFINITY's "Imagine That" reliability message while letting the original trio do what they do best: deadpan, charm, and just enough chaos to remind everyone why the movie became legendary.